Skyscanner underscores its outlook on the Indian market.
We've seen phenomenal growth in India over the last 18 months. India is now one of our largest markets globally. I think what we see is just a continual growth in desire for travel from Indian travellers. So in a recent survey we did, 98% of our travellers in India said they were planning to travel more this year than they were last year. And actually since the beginning of 2024, our domestic searches are up over 20%. We're continuing to see big growth. And domestically our destinations are all the big metro areas, but internationally, we've seen real growth in Dubai, London, Europe, and actually Saudi is now starting to feature as a destination for Indian travellers as well. We see demand coming out of India, but we also see increasing demand for travel into India as a destination, both for business and leisure. So that's another key trend. Both the outbound demand is strong, but the inbound interest in India is also increasingly strong.
Holiday Moods Adventures launches first FlyCruise Norway Arctic adventure with Havila Voyages. Resort World Cruises reports surge in business from MICE segment.
Corporate MICE is a very important part of our business. If you ask me, close to about 38% of our entire business comes from the corporate segment. So whether it's for the purpose of conferencing or it's dealer incentives, or we do a lot of them. And a lot of our corporates patronize us year on year. So there's a lot of repeat that comes in, and that's purely because of the overall experience, the ease of handling a group on board the ship. Very important segment. So every possible category in the MICE per se has been patronizing us.
IATO collaborate with Maldivian Trade Association to host their roadshows.
Motto is going to have some roadshows in India in the month of July, supported by the Indian Embassy in Maldives. IATO will be associated as far as circulating the information to our members to join those roadshows. The Indian Embassy is also very keen in doing so. And also there was an exhibition in Malé last week of April, which the Indian High Commission was very keen to us to do it. And then there's another one in February 2025, for which the High Commission has again requested us to circulate those information to our members, so members can join and the traffic between the two countries should increase.